One of those picks for Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. says one of his plans would be to advise all U.S. water systems to remove fluoride from public water. He brought up misleading negative effects of fluoride on IQ levels. News Center Maine's Raya Wooten takes a closer look, speaking to public water utility companies and dental professionals about the impacts of community water fluoridation on dental health.
I drink it every single day, and there's not been one day.
Paul Hunt has worked for the Portland Water District for 25 years. He's the guy who monitors water quality. The zoom in on Paul Hunt's face looks a little shaky, but you can clearly see that he has a nice set of teeth. Portland Water District is one of several water utility companies that fluoridates water.
We're fluoridating the water because our customers told us that's what they want.
Yes. Maine state law requires water utility companies to fluoridate water if customers vote in favor of water fluoridation. Essentially, the customers are in charge. But given the benefits dentists say water fluoridation provides, Hunt says he would be telling a huge tale if he said he wouldn't be disappointed if Portland Water District stopped adding fluoride to drinking water.
And it would be unwise for me not to defer to doctors and dentists who've spent their whole career learning about what is good health practice and what isn't.
The CDC notes community water fluoridation is one of the 10 greatest public health achievements of the 20th century, informing that it prevents tooth decay for people who may have limited access to preventative dental care.
You know, there's two ways fluoride gets into the tooth.
Dentists like Maurice Convey say fluoride from toothpaste helps reduce cavities from the outside of the tooth. But fluoride from water strengthens your enamel from inside out. He practices in Norway, which was the first town in Maine to approve community water fluoridation back in 1951. Towns like South Paris, which neighbors Norway, still don't have community water fluoridation. Convey says he sees the negative impacts of its absence every day in his office. He has a strong take when he hears people say fluoride is not needed in water.
They're completely wrong. They're not listening to research that is what we would consider real science.
And without it, he warns that smiles like Hunt's will be harder to come by. In Portland, Raya Wooten, News Center, Maine.
The U.S. CDC says research shows that communities that initiated fluoridation showed decreases in childhood tooth decay by almost 30% over 3 to 12 years of follow-up.